Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project and this part is a drawing here. This is a end plate design and this plate is a end plate and this is a dry plate. Okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is a drawing a end plate design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view and this is a right view and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learn here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and how to this body is this is a write letter, and how to all process is learn here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a SolidWorks software, and this use a this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing of this body. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this body is drawing. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important. Plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and to end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. Okay. Okay, this okay, and this point 2, this is a drawing a 29 millimeter, 29.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and okay, this is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay. Okay, this okay, and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this okay, select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select okay, this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a, this is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is a radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very important relation, and a line is select here, draw some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a, and connect to this. Okay, this is a very important, and this relation is a, this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here, this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a, okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this, and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here, this is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is, this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror. Mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. but this is a line is some extra line. This is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here. And also use a mirror about this. Okay, not again. Mirror about this is a select this. Okay, about this line is horizontal line, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here. All is this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, okay, all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a construction. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect. And this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this about this. Okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is this point to this, and again this point to this. Okay, all portion extra portion is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this. Okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, this face, sketch, normal. Draw a center line. Connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here. Connect to this point. This to this to this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select a trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect. Okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch normal, drawing a center line is this. Okay, this is this again select a mirror is a this cut out is a select here. Okay, this is a construction line. This is use a mirror is select this. Okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here. Okay, and this is a and this use a edit and normal, and draw a center line is this. Okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one. Okay, and select about this. Okay, and click OK, and OK, this cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and one by one is all center point. Draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out. Thickness is 0.5, and all four select a press a control button, and all four is a select here, and relation is a equal. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here. Okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this and this face and this face, and also select this and also select this. Okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. and next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here, a center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here, this to this this line is a this okay, big line, okay, and this line select a text and write a letter. Letter is a this AHM 425 40, okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay, again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a 2 millimeter is better, and this thickness is 2 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color, okay, because this you can say here a dark, and last is a drawing this face normal, use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 millimeter, diameter is 4, this is a diameter is a 4 millimeter, and this is a blind user, and this thickness is 3 millimeter, okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this, okay, and some dimension is used here, this point to this is a 45 millimeter, okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 millimeter is this, okay, and click OK, okay, and okay, okay, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush, and select OK. This is a perfect and correct, okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learn here easily and clearly, and okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important, this bodies design easily and clearly, and this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design, and how to this body design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here this body is design easily and clearly. Okay, okay, this is the final product is designed here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here, okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is, okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is 6.5 millimeter. Okay, drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane, line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and a relation is this is a tangent, and okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base, and going to this, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this, okay, this is a cutting here, this distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut, extrude cut is a 26 millimeter, 26.2, 26.2. Okay, and this is a okay. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon. Hexagon is very important. And this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle. A circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this. And okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct. Okay, and next is very important, and going to this 45-degree angle and drawing a this design. And this design is a 45-degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line. Center line is a this to this. Okay, and this is a perfect. And dimension is a this to this is a 45-degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this top plane, and use a angle is 45-degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is a again select a this plane, and use this again select a plane, and this distance is a 3.6 millimeter. And okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK. And this plane is hide. Okay, and select this sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is a 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and right plane is better, right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And select this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is a this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line, connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect. Drag a circle. Circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a this is a okay, this is a 3, and select this line to this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct. and this length is a okay, this is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect, all is correct. And again select a revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is a use a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this use a 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and 12 millimeter is better. Okay, 11 is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this, and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a this hole is 3 millimeter is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 millimeter, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface, this is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a this is a cutout is, and use a this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here, and okay, and next is a use a this a ball is a okay, and use a right plane, sketch normal, and some use a center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, diameter is 3 millimeter, radius is 1.5 millimeter, and distance is a 12 millimeter. And revolve boss base, use this and click OK. OK and click OK. And this face sketch and use a chromium and click OK. And again select this brush, click OK. And this plane is hide. OK, this is perfect. And OK, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 mm and this to this chamfer and click OK. This is a perfect. And next is use a thread and all point is correct. All point is discuss here one by one. And thread is apply, length is 10 and pitch is 1, size is M7 and apply a thread. Thread is select this and offset is 2 mm and direction is reverse and this distance is 10 mm and metric die is perfect and M size M7 and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one and all is mention here is correct. And this is use a 45 degree is angle and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SOLIDWORKS software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture for a beginner student, and this project is a roots blower project and how to easily drawing a roots blower project. Okay, and this part is this body is a shaft design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a 2D drafting is also available here. This okay, and all is looking perfect and correct. And all 2D geometry, 2D dimension, 2D drafting is also available here. This okay, and this is a isometric view and this is a front view and this is a top view and this is a right view and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly, and one by one all parts is drawing here. Then last is this body is assemble, and then this project is completed here. Okay, this is this body is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and then how to this part and how to this body is designed. Then this is a shaft body, and this is a very useful and helpful. Correct, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select some important point is drawing here. Okay, and plain white, and going to option and document properties and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a perfect and correct. And this top view and full length is a 215 mm and this length is a 150 mm, and this offset is 40 mm is offset here, and this radius is a 20 mm diameter. This diameter is 20 mm, and this center rectangle is drawing here. This length is 4 mm and width is also 4 mm. Okay. Okay, at first this body is drawing a front plane is better. A circle is drawing here. A circle diameter is a 20 mm. Okay. A center rectangle is drawing here. This is a okay, and going to this and this length is a 4 mm and also width is a 4 mm. This is a perfect. And going to extrude boss, and extrude boss is apply here. This select this line. Okay, and this line is a perfect, and this diameter, this length is a 215 mm is perfect. Okay, and okay. Okay, again select this sketch. Extrude boss is also apply here, and also select this and also this. Going to back side and this. Okay. Okay, and this is a length is very important, and going to this length is a 150 mm. Okay, and offset is also apply here. A 14 mm is offset. Okay, this is a perfect, and both length is a perfect. First this is offset and this is a length, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and also this is a 5 pattern. Then use a circular pattern, and going to this pattern, and circular pattern is apply here, and this parameter is a full face, and this is a pattern is apply here. This going to extrude boss, and okay, this pattern is a 5 pattern and 360-degree angle, and all is perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is you can see here, and material is apply here. This material going to a steel is polished steel, and then okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also perfect. Looking here. Okay. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe the channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today very important point is discussed here, and this is a knurling screw, and this is a knurling screw is very important, and this product is very useful and helpful for any industrial work, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, and all dimension is you can see here. 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view, and all dimension is available here, clear looking here. And this is all dimension in millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. Length is 20 mm and pitch is 1 mm, and size is M7, offset is 2 mm, and this is a thread is a detailing here, and this is a knurling screw, and okay, all point is discussed here, and this product is a design here easily and clearly, and this is a perfect looking here, and one by one is design here. Okay. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly, Okay, at first some setting is a setting here. Okay, and this is a plain white, and going to this option and document property, and image quality is very high because this board is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. And at first drawing a select a plane is front plane. Okay, and okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a dimension is clear. Okay, at first drawing a center line is drawing here, this point to this, a center line is drawing here, and this is a horizontal. And next is select a line is a drawing this. Okay, and select this point and drawing a line. Okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a some geometry is a draw here. Okay, and this geometry is a very useful. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, some. Okay, and this is a perfect and drawing here. Okay, and this is a connect to this to this, and this line is a connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And some geometry is defined, and this is a geometry is a this is a full length is 36 millimeter, and this length is 21 millimeter. Okay, and this length is 4 millimeter, and this length is 7 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this full length is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a okay, and this length is a 21 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 7 millimeter. Okay, this is a 7 millimeter is perfect. And next is a this is also 7 is perfect. And next, and this sum is a drag here. This is a perfect. Okay, this point is a this length is a okay, and this is a 8 millimeter, and this is 7 millimeter. Okay, this is a, and also this length is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 1 millimeter, and also this distance is a 1 millimeter is perfect. And this line, and press a control button, and this line is a equal. Okay, and this distance is a distance between is two line is 7 millimeter, and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. This is 8 millimeter and 7.5 and 7 distance, and this is a thread value, and 21 millimeter and 36 millimeter and 4 millimeter is all is perfect. all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and click revolve mouse, press OK, and this is a OK, perfect. And select this. Okay, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 0.6 millimeter, and this face is click here and click OK, because this okay, this is a perfect. This is a 6.6 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, and 5 millimeter is again select this 0.5 millimeter is perfect, click OK. And some knurling is this is a generate here, and this is a create here, and again select this face, sketch, and this line is select here and convert entities. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a center line. Center line is a this, connect to this, and some point is a 3-point center rectangle, select here, and this is a drawing this, and this is a okay, and this point to drag here and select this, connect to this, and this point press a control button and select this line and click coincident. Okay, but okay, and this point distance is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and click exit, and next is a use this, select a helix and a spiral. Okay, and select this line and use a helix and a spiral. Okay, but this point is a select here this, and use a 30 millimeter, direction is reverse and counterclockwise, and this is a 0 degree. Okay, and use this pitch and revolution, constant pitch is 30 millimeter, and direction is reverse direction, and revolution is 0.25 millimeter, and the start angle is 0 degree and counterclockwise, and click OK. Okay, and use a swept cut, and swept cut is this profile is select here, and this path is also select, and use a click OK. Okay, and next again select this line, sketch, normal, and again select this center line and drawing this, connect to okay, connect to this. Okay, okay, and next, and use again a 3-point center rectangle, and this point to drag here this, and use this, and this is a point is drag here and connect to this. Okay, and this point press a control button and select this line is a click a coincident and click OK. But this point is drag here. This is a perfect. This is not, and this line select this. Okay. And again select exit, and again select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is this point too. Okay, and this line is a okay, this connect to okay, this is a connect to this. This is a delete here, and again select a circle. Circle is drawing here, and select a this point too. Okay, select a circle. Circle is this, and this point to this. Okay, and exit and use a helix and a spiral. But this point is a pitch is 30 millimeter, and reverse direction and revolution is same, but this is a 180 degrees this, and this is a counter clockwise. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK. All is perfect, and use a swept cut. Swept cut is perfect, and this profile is select here, and this path is also select, and this okay, this is a perfect. But knurling is apply here. Okay, all is perfect, and this use a knurling and use a circular pattern, and circular pattern is perfect, and both cutting is select here. First swept cut is select and press a control button, and second swept cut is also select, and use a this, and this face is select here, and this angle is 360 degree angle, and this is a knurling is 20 and equal spacing. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect looking here, and this is a hide. Okay, all is perfect, and also use a fillet. Fillet is 1 millimeter is fillet, and select this, and select this, but click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, and this is a correct, and some use a this sketch normal. Okay, and draw a draw a 2 circle. Okay, 2 circle is first is this, and also second is this. Okay, and select a this is diameter is a 15 point 5 and second is a 15.2. okay, 15 is perfect. Okay, and select a and select a 16. okay, and this is use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a 8 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect, looking better. And material is apply here, and click this and use a nickel. Nickel is polished nickel, and this material is this, but one point is also. And select a thread. Thread is used here, and this thread is a, length is 20 millimeter and pitch is 1, size is M7 and offset is 2 millimeter. And use a thread. Thread is a this, and this is a offset is a 2 millimeter, direction is reverse direction. And this is a 2. okay, all is per, length is 2 millimeter, offset is 2 millimeter, length is 20 millimeter and offset is 2 millimeter. And metric die M7 and pitch is 1 millimeter, and all is perfect. Click OK, and OK, this is a perfect and correct. And OK, and this is a sketch, and use a convert entities and select a extrude cut. Extrude cut is perfect, and some point is a this is a correct. And this knurling is design is perfect and correct is design here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here, very important. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed a stud design, and this is a perfect. And this lecture is very helpful. This lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner student. And this is a final assembly body, and this is a stop wall project. And all parts is one by one is design here, and last is all parts is assemble here. And this is a final assemble of this body. And this is a stud, and a stud design is, this is a 2 stud and both side. And one is a, this is a perfect and correct. And guys, this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And all 2D drafting is also available here. And this is a cosmetic thread is also available here. Okay, and this is a final this is a stud design, and this is a cosmetic thread is also looking here. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. And this body is a simple design here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is very important, and this is a plain white, and going to option and option is this document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect, and this is a right plane is select here a better, because all geometry is this is showing here, and this is a 19 millimeter is this distance, and this is a 12 millimeter, and this is distance is a 26 millimeter, and this 100 millimeter and 52 millimeter, and this chamfer is a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and full length is 84 millimeter, and this is a thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, and this is 38 millimeter this is diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter diameter, then this is a 90 millimeter radius, then diameter is 38 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is radius, then 24 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and one by one is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect. At first select a right plane. Okay, and 2. Okay, and at first select a 2 line is a drawing here. This is a perfect, and again select a line, this line to this. Okay, but this line is a bigger, then both is perfect, and drawing a simple geometry, then select this center point, and drawing a line. This is a perfect, this is a correct and perfect, this line to this, and select this, and again this line to connect this, and this line to this. Okay, and this drawing this, and this to connect to this. Okay, all is perfect, but some relation is very important, and relation is this, and first line, and press a control button, and this line and this line select a collinear is a this. Okay, and also select this line, press a control button, and this line is selected, and use a collinear and also equal. Okay, both relation is a showing here. Okay. Okay, and mention or dimension is a this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and select this line to this is a 19 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a select 3 millimeter. Okay, and also this line is a this is a line 100 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, but this line is a drag here. Okay, and okay, and also this line is a 26 millimeter, and also this line is a 52 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this line is this. Okay, and this distance is 52 millimeter, and this is 100 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this is a 19 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay. And this is a perfect. Okay, and this all is a fully defined, and this length is a 180 millimeter, but this is a not a this make driven dimension. This is a not showing here, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. This is a 19 millimeter is also drawing here, and 12 millimeter is perfect. 26 millimeter or 100 millimeter, and this is a 52 millimeter, and this is 3 millimeter. All is perfect and correct. Okay, and going to this is a 3 millimeter is also perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and axis, this axis is a select here, and this. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this body is a convert a 3D model, use a 2D drafting, help of a 2D drafting, and this model is a convert a 3D model, and this body is looking perfect and correct. And going to this chamfer, and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all both edge is select here one by one, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, all is correct. And this cosmetic thread is apply here. Length is 26 millimeter, and size is 24, and ISO. Okay, and this use a machine thread. Machine thread is a perfect, and also both is same, and one by one is cosmetic thread is apply here. And also use a color is a this going to this appearance, and metal is steel is a this color is a perfect, and also this a perfect, and steel, and going to this. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. And also apply a cosmetic thread, and at first going to cosmetic thread, then at first going to option and document properties, and going to detailing, and this select cosmetic thread is unchecked, and click a check here, because this is a showing easily, and this is not check here, then this is a cosmetic thread is not showing here. And apply a insert, and going to annotation, and cosmetic thread. Okay, and at first select this edge. Okay, this is showing here, but this is not showing here, this is unchecked, and click a check, then this is showing here. And click ISO, and machine thread is perfect, and going to blind, and size is M24, and length is a 26 millimeter. Okay, and all is, and select this face, and click OK, and click OK, and again select going to insert, and annotation, and cosmetic thread, then this edge is select here, and this face is also select here, and ISO, and machine thread, and this is a M size is M24, and 26 is a OK. This is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, all is a perfect, and color is also changed here, because this is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and all geometry is a, you can see here, Okay, not mention here. Okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this body is finally drawing here. And guys, okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe the channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this body is a flywheel, and flywheel is very important for and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student. And this is a final project is designed here, and all part is assembled here. And this is a flywheel, and flywheel is this body, and this is isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here. This is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is easily you can see here. And this is a valve design project and all assemble body, and one by one all parts is drawing here. And last is this assemble body is okay. And this is and this lecture is a design here today. Okay, so let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, this is this body is designed, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here, and today learn here. And all point is one by one is discuss here. Okay. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, this body. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first select a part, and part is this. Okay, and some important point is discussed here. This is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing all detail value is top view, then top plane is very important. Okay, and select a top plane, sketch. At first drawing a reference line, going to this two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and at first drawing this body, and this top view, and this center point to this length is 25 mm, and this upper length is 13 mm. Okay, and this distance is 13 mm, and this is 25 mm. Okay, and draw a circle. Two circle is drawing here. First is this, and second is this. Okay, and connect to line, connect to this line to this. Okay, and and this angle is a 23-degree angle, and this angle is a 23-degree angle. Okay, and this mirror entities, select here and select this, and going to mirror about this. Okay, and again select a mirror, both line is one by one is select here, and going to mirror about this. Click OK. Okay, all extra portion is delete here and trim this, and all extra portion is trim here, one by one is trim. Okay, this is a perfect. And next is a this is a 3 this is a 3 millimeter is a fillet is used here, and going to this sketch fillet, 3 millimeter is this to this, and okay, this is a perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and this is a use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a this 6 millimeter and 6 degree angle, because upper face is a 6 degree angle is twist, and going to extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 millimeter and 6 degree angle, upper side is twist here. Okay, this is a perfect, and okay, and this upper face sketch normal, and again drawing a this line, and this line is cut out, and this line is 9 millimeter and 21 millimeter is reference line, and reference line and center line is this also. Okay, and this is a 9 millimeter and this is a 21 millimeter. Okay, and again 2 circle is drawing here. First is this and second is this, and okay, and this circle is this. Okay, this is delete here, and select this circle, drawing here this to this. Okay, and again connect this to this. Okay, and this line, and press a control button, and this line is a parallel. Okay, and again select a mirror is this, and about mirror this. Okay, and again select a mirror, both line is 1 by 1 is selected, and press a okay, and select this and click OK, and all extra portion is delete here, and this and all extra portion is delete here. Okay, and this fillet is 1.2 millimeter. Also fillet is 1.2 millimeter. Okay, and select this, all 4 point is select here and click OK, and OK, and going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is this, and this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a 4 millimeter is perfect, and click OK, all is perfect, and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, and also use a fillet is used here, and this is a 0.3 millimeter, and okay, 0.3 millimeter is this, and select this face and click OK. Okay, all is a perfect, and select a back side sketch normal, drawing a circle is this, and this circle is drawing here a diameter is 14 millimeter, and this thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, this diameter is a 14 millimeter, Okay, and this extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 mm. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and also use a fillet. Fillet is a 1 mm is this. Fillet is 1 mm, and this is a select here and click OK. Okay, and also select this face, sketch normal, and circle is a drawing here, 8 mm. 8 mm is diameter, and extrude cut. Okay, this is a extrude cut is 8 mm diameter. Okay, and this extrude cut is a through all is perfect, and click OK. Extrude cut is a through all. Okay, and next is apply here this square, and this also circle, but diameter is not mentioned here, and this is very important. This face, sketch normal, and select a center rectangle. Okay, and this center rectangle is this length is 8 mm, and also this is a 8 mm. Okay, this is a perfect, but this dimension is not mentioned here, and this rectangle drawing here, and both dimension is 8 mm both. Okay, height and width, and extrude cut is a apply here, and okay, this is a perfect, and 6 mm is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is looking perfect, and also select this face, sketch normal, and circle is a draw here, and this diameter is a 12 mm. Okay, and going to extrude cut is a 2 mm. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and okay, but this dimension is not mentioned here, and this is a perfect. Okay, all point one by one is discussed here, and all point is learned here easily and clearly, and this is a perfect. And going to appearance is a blue color. Okay, this is a blue color is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and all side is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay, guys, all point is learned here, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.